In this video, we're going to continue taking a look at the maintain stock module. Just like last time, click on stock and maintain stock. So in this video, we're going to be looking at item group, item type, item category, item subcategory, UOM, batch update item, and item description. So let's begin with batch update item. In the last video, I said that if you wanted to update information about an item, you can just search for the item code using the search bar and click on edit and update as needed. But what if you wanted to update multiple items at once? Well, you don't need to click on them one by one. You can just go to batch update item and search for them using their item code. Let's say I wanted 27, and the system will return to me all items with 27 in their item code. And I can just do my editing here. I can edit everything, and after I'm done, I can just click on save. Okay, and the system will tell me that they have been batch updated successfully. After I'm done, I'll just click exit, and we'll move on to item description. Now, remember when we were editing a singular item, we had this little arrow over here in which I said you could add your extra descriptions. Now, you can view these descriptions in the item description box over here. As you can see, the descriptions are all here. And if you wanted to delete them, you could delete them right here as well. So let's go back and begin with item group, which is usually the categories such as rims, tires, batteries, and so on and so forth. So if you wanted to add a new item, you can just do that and you can type in everything. Usually we type in the same group code as group name, and then you can select the accounts, and then you can put a remark if you wanted to, and their lifetime, let's give it a year, and the points. Do note that these points are to measure a staff's performance. So it will be reflected over here by the sales performance summary report, which you can find here in report, salesman report, and salesman performance report over here. After you're done setting everything, you can just click on save. Now you can see here that the system is giving me an error since rim already exists, or else it will just save here and the entry will be over here. So since it already exists, I'll just click on cancel and search for it using the search bar. As you can see, it is right here. Now, if you wanted to edit it, you can click on edit and edit accordingly and click on save after you're done. Or if you wanted to delete it, you can just click on the delete button right here. Let's move on to item type now, which is usually the brand of the item itself. So the same thing, if I wanted to add new item, I can just click on add new item and type in everything here and click on save. So if I wanted to search for it, I'll search for it here. And if I wanted to edit, I can click on edit and delete to delete. Moving on to item category as well. Here, it's the same thing. Usually the item category is, in the case of a tire, it will be the size of the tire. So if you wanted to add a new size, I can just click on add new item and fill in everything. Item type, and just link it to the item type I created before so that they are connected. After I'm done, I'll just click on save and it will be done. The only difference is you can update images in item category by clicking either the empty image over here or clicking upload category image, where you can upload multiple category images at once. But keep in mind that the image name or the file name must match the category code, and the category code must exist. The system will show an error if the upload is unsuccessful. Now moving on to item subcategory, which is in the case of tires, usually the tire patterns. Now if I wanted to add new item, same thing, I'll click on add new item, fill in everything, and then link it with the item category I created, and click on save. If I wanted to edit it, I'll click on edit, and after I'm done, I'll click on update, and delete if I no longer use it. Now we'll move on to UOM, which is unit of measurement. Same thing as before, you can just click on add new item if you wanted to add a new unit. Enter its code, its quantity, its status, which we usually keep at active since we use them, and the e-invoice UOM, which is used for the government's e-invoice by LHDN. And then we click on save, and then we'll be saved. You can also edit it if you want, and you can delete it if it's no longer in use. So that concludes the maintain stock module and also this video. Thank you for watching.